Frustrated by endless car warning lights? Tired of guessing what's wrong with your vehicle? Wasting hours on uncertain diagnostics? Struggling to clear stubborn maintenance indicators? Annoyed by features you can't deactivate? Wish you could unlock hidden car functions? Manual checks slow down your repair workflow. Unclear error codes create confusion and delays. Standard scan tools miss critical issues. Clients expect fast, accurate solutions. Every minute spent troubleshooting costs you money. Introducing the TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro OBD2 scanner. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Your all-in-one solution for advanced diagnostics. 2025 online ECU coding maximizes vehicle capabilities. Compatible with VW, Audi, Skoda, Seat, Benz, and more. Uncover hidden features with seamless ECU coding. Deactivate annoying functions instantly. Code retrofitted components for peak performance. Efficient bidirectional control streamlines diagnostics. Target individual actuators for precise testing. Swiftly identify and resolve issues in minutes. Diagnose lights, door locks, windows, wipers, and more. No more guesswork, just clear, actionable results. 35+ special services tackle 90% of repair challenges. Oil reset clears maintenance indicators effortlessly. EPB reset manages brake systems with ease. Steering angle reset ensures perfect alignment. Supports FCA AutoAuth for Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Fiat. Compatible with Renault models from 2017 and later. Check compatibility easily before purchasing. Professional customer support, lifetime expert assistance. Hassle-free returns with clear instructions. Subscription fee applies after 2 years, full transparency. Let's see the difference ArtiDiag Pro makes. Before, manual checks, slow diagnostics, missed issues. After, fast, accurate scans and instant solutions. Before, annoying features you can't disable. After, unlock and customize hidden functions easily. Before, multiple tools needed for different repairs. After, one tool covers 35+ essential maintenance tasks. Before, frustrated clients and wasted time. After, satisfied customers and efficient workflow. Before, unclear error codes and confusion. After, clear diagnostics and confident repairs. Before, struggling with FCA SGW Renault compatibility. After, seamless support for modern vehicles. Before, no expert help when you need it. After, lifetime professional support from TOPDON. Transform your repair shop's productivity. Empower technicians with smarter diagnostics. Car enthusiasts unlock new vehicle potential. Repair shop owners boost customer satisfaction. Reduce downtime and maximize efficiency. Stay ahead with cutting-edge diagnostic technology. No more guesswork, just results that make sense. ArtiDiag Pro is practical, reliable, and easy to use. Unlock hidden features and customize your ride. Diagnose and fix problems faster than ever. Resolve 90% of repairs with one powerful tool. Compatible with top brands and modern vehicles. Enjoy peace of mind with expert support. Upgrade your toolkit with ArtiDiag Pro today. Stop wasting time and start solving problems. Experience the difference in every repair. Don't settle for outdated diagnostic tools. Choose TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro for smarter solutions. Ready to transform your workflow? Visit the TOPDON website for compatibility details. Call 833-629-4832 for expert assistance anytime. TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro, diagnostics that just make sense. Unlock, diagnose, resolve, and upgrade with confidence. Join thousands of satisfied technicians and enthusiasts. Order now and experience hassle-free repairs. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro, your ultimate diagnostic partner. Don't wait. Equip your shop for the future. Make every repair faster, easier, and more reliable. TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro, where smart diagnostics begin. Ready to level up your automotive expertise?